In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to read and analyze your papers simply and effectively. I start on the NotebookLM home screen where I can see my existing projects, and to start something new, I click the Create New button in the top right corner. While my notebook is being set up, a menu appears asking me to add my sources. I select the option to upload files and pick the PDF I want to work with. Once the upload finishes, the document appears on the left as a source, and the interface transforms into a personal research assistant. I can see suggested questions at the bottom of the chat, so I click the one asking about innovative ways professionals use the tool. As the AI searches through my document, it pinpoints key use cases and organizes them into a clear summary. The results explain how professionals can analyze reports, how business owners get instant insights from documents, and how creators can turn notes into scripts or podcasts. If I want to see more options, I click the source guide to see how different groups like students or business owners can benefit. Now, I'll try a specific question by typing a prompt about AI in healthcare to see how the system handles it. The AI reads through the full chapters and quickly identifies that this specific source doesn't actually mention healthcare. It explains that the document focuses on NotebookLM specific features and target users instead of medical topics. To wrap up, I click on the source file to open the document viewer. This lets me read the original text alongside the chat so I can cross-reference everything manually and finish my research. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.